Hey guys, here is a Emerson Premium ceiling fan from the early 1990s. This fan is in the white finish and it has reversible washed oak blades, I think. I got this fan for fairly cheap and I just think it's pretty cool. I have a lot of other premiums, but they are the late 90s, early 2000s versions. But I don't have this version with the detachable switch housing. But I thought it was pretty cool. It has the generic style canopy, not the tuna can kind. Unfortunately, it was missing the mounting bracket, but it's not really that hard to find those kind. So I'm not too concerned about that. It did actually come with a light kit. It was an Emerson light kit. There it is. I thought it looked kind of ugly on there, and I know it's the same brand as the fan, but I just think it looks better without it. But yeah, it's in okay shape. There are some scratches on the switch cap. Yeah, so I'll fire it up. It's low. I've really grown to like the Emerson brand a lot. I might actually like it better than Casablanca at this point because there's many things about it that are very convenient. But the main thing I like about them a lot is the flywheels, because with Casablanca you have to bang out the shafts to change out the flywheel, and with these Emersons all you have to do is unscrew the either the switch housing or the switch housing plate, and it comes off easy as pie. But that's one of the main reasons why I like these Emersons a little bit better than Casablanca. But that's all for another video for another time. But anyway, here's medium. It's going to wobble a little bit. Flywheel is a little better for alignment. Moving a pretty good amount of air on medium speed. And here's high. It's got a pretty nasty wobble, but just the way it's gonna be. Otherwise it works fine, it's completely silent. Really good looking fan too. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.